Okay, so let us see how do we handle this proof, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, the proof we have today, it says, show that sine of 18 degrees is equal to that, and hence cos of 18 degrees is also equal to that. The entry we are going to see, we are going to see that we are going to use a double angle, then this multiple angle idea, then this idea of complementary angles, if then side of this is this, and also the first identity. So if I let A be this, then I multiply, let A be the 18 degrees which are here, then multiply it by 5, I multiply it by 5 so that I can get a proper angle which is 90. Then separate this will be the same as 2A equaling to 90 degrees, take 3 at the other side, and then 3A. So introduce sine both sides. So now, we know how this is, so this will be sine 2a equaling 2. Now, if you apply this property, 90 minus something is going to be sine cos of that something. So here you have now cos of 3a. So from there, I expand using the double angle here, and I also put where is this, I put this. So here we have now 2 sine a cos a equaling 4. Minus 3 cos A. Something that cos is common, so I take everything the other side. I'll be having now and I take this side, I have 2 cos A equals 0. So it's that cos is common, and I remove cos A out. I'm going to be having now here 4 cos squared A minus 3 minus 2 sine A equaling 0. So either my cos A is 0 or the whole of this 4 allow me now, whether this cos squared using this identity, I'm going to make cos squared out, it will be having 1 minus sine squared. Sine squared A, then minus 3 minus sine A equaling to 0. But instead, if I get A would be 90 or to 70, and my A was 18, so this one will rule it out. So from here, if I open here, I have 4 sine squared A minus 3 minus sine A, the whole is equal to 0. So taking everything the other side, I have 4 sine squared A, then minus A. Sorry, here we have the 2, we have the 2. Then when I take the other side, it becomes plus 2 sine A. Then this minus this, I'll be having 1. When I take the other side, it becomes negative 1 equaling to 0. So from there, members now, so this one is going to be in the form of a quadratic equation plus c equals 0. So putting this under a bulldozer, so that now my x is sine A. So my sine A is going to be minus 2ab plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 into A, then negative 1, the whole over 2 into A, which is 4. So to simplify that further, we have now our sine A will be negative 2 plus or minus, that will be root 20, this will be 16 plus 4 root 20, the whole over 8. I know that root 20 is the same as root 4 minus 5, which will give me 2 root 5. So here I have now minus 2 root 5, the whole over 8. Dividing through by 2, so that my sine A would be negative 1 plus or minus root 5 over 8. But because sine of A, which is 18 degrees, can't be a negative. So we say negative 1 minus 5, it can't be negative. So I'm going to take negative 1 plus root 5. So that sine A now is going to be negative 1 plus root 5, the whole, this is 4, divided by 2, the whole over 4. So that's what we have, members, and it's the proof we have there. So now, I want to also, but our side A is the 18. So from there I say that my sine 18 degrees is equal to root 5 over 4 from there. Now, if I want now to prove this, I am going to use the idea that I know that cos squared 18 degrees plus sine squared 18 degrees is always 1. Because I have this, I can just get this. So you see that now, my cos 18 degrees is going to be square root of 1 minus sine squared 18, which is going to be now the square root of 1 minus the whole of this is going to be now negative 1 plus root 5 now over 4, then square. So if we square that, it's that now my cos 18 degrees is going to be, when I square this I get 16, so I'm going to be adding the square root of now 1 minus, if you square this, shall be adding the whole there as, if you square this you get 1, if you square this you get 5, that is 6, then this and this, so you have a minus 2. So you have now 6 minus 2 root 5 over, when you square this you get a 16. Which we can just simplify, this is 16 this. If I cross multiply here, I'm going to be adding square root of, this would be 16 minus 6, now minus 2 root 5, the whole over 16. And you see that from there, your cos 18 degrees is going to be, this will be 10, square root of 16 is 4, move it down a quarter, then square root of 16 minus 6, you get 10, then plus 2 root 5. And so, then that's the proof. I wish you the best.